We have been seriously preparing a case of plunder against former Speaker Martin Romualdez and former Senate President Chis Escudero. Plunder rin ang aming hinahandang kaso para sa kanila. And as a conspiracy, with the element of conspiracy involved in the preparation of the complaint.
How soon po itong
Well, within the month of May. We're just tying up many things that have to be there for us to make a case out of it. Pero the Senate President, the former Senate President, and the former Speaker will be subjected to a case of plunder very soon. Flood control related in so many ways. Sila yan. Pero marami pang iba kasi nga marami pang ibang mga miyembro ng dalawang bahay na maaaring tamaan din ng mga kaso ng plunder sa aming hinahanda ngayon. Exactly. It's actually the way that the budget was passed upon by the two houses and how many things have been implemented because of that. Now you'll get it later on when we explain the facts. Makukuha nyo yan. Madaling maintindihan. Actually, narinig nyo na istorya. Narinig nyo na istorya mula sa mga testigo dati sa Senate. And if you think about it, there was a conspiracy to commit plunder. I think you can put everything together. Kayo mismo, you can put it together. It doesn't take a genius to do it. Right now, ang tinitingnan natin, 24 and 25. Pero, it can go back to as far as the time of Speaker Velasco. Nung panahon ni Speaker Velasco, malamang ay babalik pa kami hanggang doon sa pag-aaral ng mga kasong dapat pagulungin laban sa mga taong gumawa ng ganitong gawain ng plunder nga. Paglilimas ng ating kabanang bayan.